Hello, today I would like to show you a video of unboxing of a power bank that I've got for Christmas, and of course I already opened the box. We are going to pretend that's going to be unboxing, but of course I already play. There is no chance I would let it sit. So let's take a look. A very nice box. I'm not sure should I tell you everything what it says over there, because most likely you saw that on the website, and I always open a YouTube video to see how a product looks in hand. That give an indication how well it's built. And this is the unit. As you can see, it's quite beefy, but also slim. And let's take a look at this front panel. I'm going to power it on. Let's take a look what we've got over here. First is that port. The blinking is only on the camera, something with the refresh rate. And that port is a input for use with the solar panel, and the Goal Zero company is selling a very nice weatherproof portable solar panel. I'm definitely going to get one of this, but you can also use a brick charger. I believe it's from 12 volt to about 22. I believe that was the maximum rating. Better check that before you plug anything. And you can recharge the unit from solar or brick. We've got a 2 USB-C PD port power delivery. Each of this port is rated to 60 watt, and I believe the total combined power is 100 watt maximum from both of them at the same time. These two ports can be both input or output, so you can recharge. You can recharge for two ports from the same time. I was doing experiment and using the PD 30 watt charger and a standard USB to USB-C port, and it was recharging from both ports, so working perfect. There is a setting in the menu that you can pre-select that port are going to be only, for example, the input, or for example only the output, and that is to prevent, for example, situation that your device that you would like to recharge is going to be actually recharging the power bank. So that's quite important. They are working in automatic state, I believe, from a standard configuration. I'm going to show you in a second the display. So 2 PD port, 60 watt, very good. Something that I really enjoy is the screen, but I'm going to show you that in a second. We've got a wireless charger on top of the unit. This is some kind of metal. I assume that will be aluminum. We've got a rubber feet, which give a really good feel and prevent from moving. Very good, very nice. Really enjoying it. And you enable the top wireless charger by this button, and you're going to get that charging indicator. Okay, we can turn that off. We've got two standard USB port, 2.4 amp. I'm going to make a more deep review after I'm going to try this for some time. I just charge it like 2 or 3 times, so this is only a quick look. And we've got AC output. That was the main reason why I choose that unit, because there were better units with higher USB PD output, but they do not have AC, and I go that IC is the absolutely most universal way, because even if the PD is current standard, after maybe a year or two something new will go into the market, and then you are going to be stuck, but your standard wall socket will, I believe, never change. So that will work also just fine. Let me try to power it on, and I was testing this on the 100 watt bulb. It was working perfect. I was trying this with the CFL bulb, left overnight, was working just perfect. The most nice thing is that display, and if I power it on, as you can see, it gives you a estimate how long the device connected, and this is not only the AC, it takes the output from anything, the wireless, the USB, USB PD, and tell you how long it's going to last. Of course, it's not accurate when you've got like a laptop charger, that the output will be varying, the wattage use depending of the usage, so you're not going to get exactly the very good rating. But for everything that is more static, like fan, like CFL bulb, any resistive load, you've got a very accurate reading, which is very good. The best thing is that screen. If you can change, and you can see each port, you see how many watt is going to, you can see that which port is in, which is going to be out. Very good, very good. You've got a power, and right now we are using 3 watt just by having enabled the AC inverter, and yes, it's sending a 230 volt AC on the output. The only problem I've got with this is that these two holes are too small to fit a 16 amp plug, and this was made by design, because you should only connect load that is below 100 watts, and things below 100 watts don't use that plug, but that type of plug you're going to see on a power strip. So if you would like to, if you are fully aware of the 100 watt limitation, and you would like to connect your laptop computer, which for example took 60 watt, you've got some power left, and you would like to connect a power brick to get, for example, a LED or a CFL lamp or other small charger, and you will have to play with that. I'm pretty sure I'm going to drill a hole, just saying. So yeah, so that's how it looks like from the side. There is a most interesting part, because we've got this hidden compartment with our cables, and we actually get 3 cables. You can store 2 cables, but inside of the box we've got a quick start guide, and we've got another cables and another manual. That one more detailed. I recommend you reading that. And this is, I believe, the lightning cable for the iPhone. So if your phone is an iPhone, you can swap that cable. You've got 2 cables. You can arrange that, the one that you are using, and we've got a standard USB to USB-C. Very nice cable. I'm very happy with it. As you can see, it's very flexible. It has a really good feel. I very like the cables that are braided, but that one feels really nice, and it's like branded with the Goal Zero logo, so it's not like a cheap generic stuff. And yes, I was testing it. It was taking full current. I know that there was no problem in delivering 2 amp from my charger, because on the front panel it tells you exactly how much wattage it's go into, and I was able to read that value. And on the back we've got a fan, and that's all what you have on the external side. So let's take a last look at the cables. So on one side I've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. You can connect it via that port, because as I told you, they can be both input and output. So you can charge your device straight from that port, or you can recharge if you have, for example, a MacBook with the USB-C PD charger, no problem. You can recharge that. And this is very nicely arranged. And the other cable on that side is let me open this. Okay, and this is a micro USB cable to the standard USB plug, and you just use your standard USB port. So yes, this is how this unit looks like. I'm pretty sure that you will be very happy to see my end results. I'm going to play with this for a couple of weeks. I'm going to try to create a portable office with this, and later I'm going to get a solar panel. So definitely check out for another video with more in-depth review. Right now, thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.